These are the elevators at the Fantech Stadium West Parking Garage, Fantech City. Montgomery Vectors modernized by Schindler. Just the call buttons are original. And these elevators have custom fixtures. Here we go down to blue, which is the lower level of the parking garage. Here we are at the blue level. Let's go up to red. The red level is also the 9th floor of the parking garage. In all the parking garages at Fantech Stadium, blue is always the bottom floor and red's always the top floor. Let's go back down to the green level, which is the 1st floor. And that's it. Oh look, the indicator got stuck on pink. Oh well, that's it.